This is a multi-million-dollar problem that costs Edmontonians nearly $13 million a year.
This parking lot is like any other, a target-rich environment for thieves. More often than not, the targets of choice are catalytic converters.
It's a rampant issue that we're dealing with on a continuous basis.
In fact, it happens daily.
Yeah, we could potentially be having upwards of 100 thefts of both reported and unreported.
The crimes are not restricted to specific areas or vehicles, and everyone seems vulnerable.
I've had my catalytic converter stolen.
And now thieves are targeting high school parking lots.
We feel violated because a school should be one of safety and security, and it's traumatic especially for our students and staff.
Basically, it is a filter that filters the exhaust leaving the engine.
That's what this required device does, but criminals are only interested with what's inside a catalytic converter.
Precious metals such as like rhodium and palladium.
It's easy to be able to go to a scrap dealer and you can turn that in for money right away. There's no requirements, there's no legislation that you have to have a business license of any sort.
Just one reason why it's become a profitable small industry for criminals.
You could be making upwards to about $400 per catalytic converter. The owner could be out upwards of $6,000 per event.
It's easy money.
So easy that criminals can pull off the job in less than 60 seconds. And here's the video evidence.
The bicycle driver, he pulled up, he had dismounted his bike, crawled underneath the underneath the vehicle, stolen the catalytic converter, got back onto his bicycle, and he was gone. Took him about 20-25 seconds in total.
All you need is a cordless sawzall or anything that can just cut metal pipe.
We know why it's done and how. At this point, most people are just hoping for a solution to help prevent these types of crimes.
We need a game changer to help stop the crime of opportunity. This is what the Community Solutions Accelerator Challenge is all about. Providing the opportunity, incentives, and support for creative minds to help solve these ongoing problems.
You know what? Especially when it snows out, I check for footprints by my car because I'm paranoid that this could happen because I park in this parking lot. And yeah, I'm quite rattled by it.